Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel TK Electronics. I hope you all are doing fine friends. Well friends, this is one of branded product of Sony sound system. So I received this for repairing. Model number is this one, DZ350. Okay guys, so let's check what is the issue in this. I'll put on the power. So I put it on the power now. So there is no light. I must get light over here. So power is not getting on. So guys, this is the problem. Okay, let's check what is the issue in this. We'll open from the top. See, power is there. See, power is there. So input power is there. So but there is no power is not getting on. Okay, so power is not getting on. See, I'm pressing. I should get light over here. So it means power is coming, but there is no output. So now we'll check step by step. Actually, I must get light. I must get here some voltages. Standby voltage 3 volt here. So we'll check that one. Now here this one number. We should get here input some 3.3 volt. So voltage is now with respect to ground. So there is no any voltage. This is standby voltage. We must get here 3.3 volt standby. If the 3.3 volt will come, then only our mother system MCU IC will operate. This is our MCU IC. Here is our EPROM IC and this is our main IC. Okay, so we must get here 3.3 volt, but there is no 3.3 volt. So now what we'll do, we'll open this one and we'll check from back side. Okay, so what power is coming. See. So we'll put it off. So I put it off. Now we'll open this one. We'll check the back side of this come. So guys, now we'll check this one. I'll apply input power. Power is coming now. So power is coming. See, power is coming. So this is our rectifier. Okay. So our power is coming. So this is a capacitor, main filter capacitor. Okay. Here is another one. So our both filter capacitor. Here is the SMPS IC. Okay guys. So here everything is okay. Okay. So from here it's coming here. So we need supply. Okay. So guys, now thing is we are getting the voltages here. Okay, in the primary it looks everything okay. In primary, 2, 3. This is number 3, 4. This is number 4, and this is number 1. This is number 2. So this is supplied to the IC. This is IC 11.2 volt. So there is no problem in the primary. So we'll concentrate on the secondary now. So guys, now what we'll do, we'll put it off. I put it off. So we'll check here in secondary now. Some ohmic test. We'll check some ohms. We'll check some ohm test here. We'll check in primary or in primary section. Our voltages are good. So we'll concentrate on the secondary side. There might be some problem in the secondary. So we'll concentrate on the secondary. So what we'll do, we'll check some resistance of the diode and the transistors. So okay. So guys, we'll check some resistance test. Okay. Because I thought there is a problem in the secondary. So that's why. So there are transistors over here. So this transistor is good. How about this? Okay. How about this? So there is no shorting. So this is also good. Okay. This is also okay. So there is a diode over here. This is Schottky diode. Okay. This okay. So this is also okay because there is no any abnormal. There is no any abnormal reading. So this is okay. There is one more diode over here. Okay. So this also okay. Okay. So this is okay. This is NPN. This is NPN transistor. Okay. And this is actually this is a MOSFET. This is MOSFET. This is not right. This is MOSFET. SMD MOSFET N channel. So this is okay. So there is no shorting. So there is no shorting. This is 1K resistor. Okay. So this is 100 ohms. 102. Okay. So there is no any. So we'll check here. This is diode. This is rectifier. This both is rectifier. This rectifier okay, and this rectifier okay. This rectifier also okay. This is the rectifier. Okay. And let me check here. This optocoupler. So there is a transistor over here. It's okay. There is one transistor over here, optocoupler here. This IC904. IC904. This is actually adjustable regulator IC. So I'm getting some abnormal ohms on this IC. This is 3-terminal IC, regulator IC. This is, so I'm getting some shorting pin number. So we need to take this out and check. So we have removed this one. This is TL431. This is TL431. The number of this IC is TL431. This is IC904. This is TL431. So we'll check this one. See, this is shorted. Pin number. So this pin number 3 and 2 is not shorted. 1 and 2 is shorted. So guys, this is faulty IC. This is TL431. This is shunt regulator IC, adjustable voltage regulator IC. This is adjustable regulator IC. This is 431. So guys, so we'll replace this. Confirm that this is a faulty IC. Okay, so I got the new IC with me, so we'll replace. This is the new IC. So we'll replace this new IC with this one. So we'll check the resistors. Well, the resistance here. See, this is showing okay, but in this showing 0 ohms. So guys, finally, so we'll replace this TL. So finally we found the problem. So we replace TL431 with the new one. So okay, just clean this one first. So now we'll check, is there any shorting. So guys, no shorting is there. No shorting. So because of this TL431, so our power supplies was not switching on, so there is no secondary voltage developing. So now we'll check after connecting the system. So we'll check. So guys, we'll fix it and we'll check the voltages. So first we'll check voltage. I will put it on. So before there was no 3.3 volt was coming here. So we'll check voltage first here. So I will put it on. See, now voltage was coming. Okay. Before, this is our standby voltage. This is supposed to come first. Okay. So before this voltage was not coming. So after replacing our this regulator IC, so now we got the 3.2 volt. So now I'll put it on from front. So we'll put it on from front now. So hello comes. So it's working. So guys, it's working now. So hello comes, now it's ready for Bluetooth. Okay, all functions are working. Okay guys, so I have not connected the Bluetooth connection, so but it's ready means the work system is okay. So guys, thank you very much for watching my video. Take care, see you very soon next video. Bye.